October Livelihoods explores to understand how to build a low-cost house. Introduction. Shelter is a basic need of every human being. Owning a house is a cherished dream of most of the people. After the emergence of agriculture, the global human population shot up 6 million to 7 billion in 11,000 years. The growing population needs food, clothes, shelter, and services which consumes natural resources. Particularly, building a shelter consumes a lot of natural resources. Construction sector has been growing for decades. For thousands of years, people have been constructing houses with locally available renewable materials such as mud, stone, brick, wood, grass, bamboo, etc. Due to scarcity of renewable materials, increasing urbanization, higher dependence on skilled persons for everything in construction, attraction towards more designer houses as a status symbol, etc. People had to move from renewable materials to non-renewable materials for house construction. Along with this situation, increased wages of construction laborers facilitated the rise in house construction cost. This increase in construction cost has been driving the dream of owning a house for poor and lower middle class people. Causes behind increasing house construction cost. According to the Confederation of Indian Industry (CII), Indian Green Building Council (IGBC) estimation, every year in our country construction take place in around 16.2 billion square feet area for housing. According to the survey, around 70% of construction cost goes to construction material cost alone. These material include cement, iron and steel, bricks, sand, gravel, stone, murram, welding material, tiles, plumber material, electricity material, wood, etc. Particularly cement, iron and steel and sand prices have skyrocketed. Along with this, wages of workers involved in construction like construction workers, welders, carpenters, plumbers, painters, designers, tile setting persons and electricians have increased considerably. House construction cost. Based on the current scenario, constructing a medium level house in 1800 square feet to 200 gajalu in a second tier city according to 2018 prices may cost between 18 lakhs to 20 lakhs excluding land price. The details are given below. Cement 800 bags 2 lakhs 50,000, iron and steel 3 lakhs, bricks 1,68,000, wood 1 lakh, sand 1,50,000, gravel 90,000, stone 50,000, murram 4,000, welding material 70,000, tiles 60,000, plumber material 1,50,000, electrical material 1 lakh. Total material cost 14 lakhs 92,000. Construction workers wages 2 lakhs to 50,000. Carpenter, electrician, welder, plumber charges 1 lakh 15,000. Total 18 lakhs 57,000. What is low cost house? The increasing cost of house construction, scarcity of raw material, unavailability of skilled persons, busy life, etc. are gradually pushing people towards low cost and environmentally friendly houses. Constructing a low cost house means constructing a house with locally sourced material along with improved skills, innovative methods and technology without compromising on the strength, performance, durability of the structure. It also includes locally available skilled persons, energy saving and environmentally friendly designs. Critical things in low cost house: reduction or avoidance of non-renewable and high cost materials such as cement, iron, steel, sand, etc. Reduction of person work days, technical person work days and construction time. Utilization of renewable and local materials such as mud, stone, wood, bamboo. Usage of prefabricated panels in foundation and roof, which drastically reduces construction time. Usage of locally available tiles and broken bricks for bedding. Reduction of house management cost by designing construction to ensure natural light, airflow, etc. Usage of solar panels and water harvesting structures. Avoiding plastering works on the walls. Reducing wood by replacing the iron frames or frameless windows. Low cost houses across the country. Low cost house construction is basically based on the locally available renewable materials. This is an important feature in the low cost house. This facilitates various models across the country depending the geographical condition, environment and available raw material. There are a lot of variations in the house construction in rural, urban and tribal areas. Within these areas as well we can see variation in construction. For example, in some places where bamboo, stone or mud is abundantly available, people are constructing houses with bamboo, stone and mud. Government initiatives. Low cost house construction is the need of the hour in the present context of the world, particularly in our country. According to the Indian Institute of Management Bangalore (IIMB), there is a shortage of 18 million houses as per 2015 in the country. About 99% of this shortage of houses was among poor people. Homelessness is not only a problem of lack of physical house, but it is also a problem of loss of family, community, and sense of belonging to the poor people. Providing house to all is one of the goals of the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). Government of India recognized this housing problem and started providing houses to low income groups. In 2019, government launched a housing for all mission known as Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban with the aim of providing houses to the population by 2022. This mission was mainly designed on the foundation of low cost houses with the advanced technology and environmental friendly design. Over the years, government has designed and implemented various policies designed to provide houses to the poor. Valmiki Ambedkar Awas Yojana, Jawaharlal Nehru Urban Renewal Mission, Rajiv Awas Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban. Benefits of low cost house. Low cost houses are not only economically beneficial due to the reduction in house construction cost with lesser material cost and labor cost, there are various other benefits as well. Reduce house management cost. Can use locally available material. Provides employment to local technical persons. Most of the material used in the house can be reusable. Reduce house construction time. Provides sufficient light and ventilation. Can use modern technology in the construction. Environment friendly and promotes living closer to nature. Issues and challenges. There are various issues and challenges in taking forward the agenda of low cost houses in the country. Unavailability of renewable materials. Existing construction workers' reluctance and lack of awareness of the advanced technologies. Cement, burn bricks and steel companies' campaign influence. People's lack of confidence about the performance and durable nature of low cost houses. The transformation of houses as a status symbol. Introduction of new fashionable designs in house construction. Reluctance of people to take risk of alternative house construction as construction of home is mostly a one-time goal for people in their life. Maintenance issues of low cost houses. Extremely small number of low cost houses constructed in the country. Prevailed image of low cost houses as poor people houses. Conclusion. Low cost house construction may be the future in long run. It is not the aspiration. It is the result of scarcity of non-renewable materials, sky-high construction cost, and the need of natural friendly houses. The limitations of low-cost house should be overcome by introduction of new technologies in the house construction, training required to the house construction workers on new technology, and more research should be done on the affordability, durability, and performance of the low-cost house technologies. The entrepreneurs, designers, and researchers, civil society organizations, and government must take this agenda of promoting the low-cost house construction. Housing to all achieved only through low-cost house concept. Thank you.